Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of a Huawei Band 6, which we also got from Shopee. Right now it's on a flash deal, which has 52 minutes left. They're selling it at 2,090 pesos. The normal price is 2,599 pesos. Okay, not sure which seller this is, but I just saw it on Shopee. Oh, it's the Huawei official store. Okay, so I don't have my trusty knife with me today. I have no idea where the kids put it, so and they cleaned my stuff here on the table, so we're gonna just use this scissor. Okay, I'm gonna open it from the bottom so that we don't break the top, right? So there it is. There's the actual watch. Okay, it's about as long as my thumb and quarter or half of my thumb width for the width. Okay, and there's this thing here which I've never known what that is. So okay, and in the inside the box itself there's the charger and some manuals, and that's it. Okay, the charger has 2 pins which goes to the back. Okay, and there's a screen protector. We'll remove that later when we put some nano protection. Okay, so can you see it? It's not going in, so I assume it's the other way around. It's there, see? So there's a proper way to put it in. You'll know when you do it, cause the magnet is not gonna click in. Okay, let's see. There's no battery charge for the watch. It's the first watch that I think that I've had that doesn't have a charge. So you can see it's turning on. It says Huawei. Okay. Let's compare it to the Honor that we have, Honor watch that we have here. So as you can see, in terms of length is almost the same. Okay, but the width it's a little bit thicker, right? So hopefully the text is better. Okay, as you can see, it's charging. Okay, there's a button here on the right side of the watch. You can choose your language, so let's just use English UK. Okay, download Huawei Health to your phone. Okay. Oh, looks like it connected to this one. Okay, so the Huawei Band 5 is there. Let's add another device. Let's see. It found the Huawei Band 6. Allow. Pairing. Okay. Continue. Enable. Okay. So there's a new band, there's a new version. Okay, download and update, and it's transferring. Okay, let's wait for it to finish. And as you can see, it's on already. So it's reconnected, 67%. Health, you can set up what messages it sends to you, Spotify, and for the notifications on your watch. Monitoring, you can monitor your sleep if you want to. Activity reminder, continuous heart rate monitoring, automatic stress test. What's this one? Okay, so I guess to see if you're stressed out, right? So Well, there's questions that you have to answer, which I don't want to do right now. Okay. Says it's supposed to have weather reports. Okay. So you can choose if it's in Celsius or Fahrenheit, I guess, for the temperature. And basically that's it, right? Let's see what the watch actually offers. Okay. Let's take off this other one. Okay. So you swipe right or left, right? So there's exercising. You can probably control music, temperature, stress. So if you're stressed out, your heart rate per minute, and then the time. Not sure how we can change the. I don't like the way it looks, right? So that's a quick unboxing for the Huawei Band 6. We'll try this out for the next couple of days and let you know. Bye guys.